I'm going to show you how to make non-toxic homemade weed killer using 3 inexpensive ingredients and pass along some tips for success you won't see anywhere else. All you need is 1 gallon of white vinegar, 1 cup of table salt, and 1 tablespoon of liquid Dawn detergent, and it has to be Dawn. I found knockoff brands don't work. I begin by first mixing the salt, Dawn, and a little bit of the vinegar in a bowl to dissolve the ingredients. If you have a sprayer like this and have used another weed killer in it, it might be a good idea to rinse it thoroughly, as mixing residue might cause some type of a chemical reaction. It's also a good idea to wear eye protection in case some of the liquid splashes. Remove the top handle and pour in the mixture, followed by the remainder of the vinegar, and you can give it a quick shake if you'd like, and you're ready to begin. A couple things to consider. Make sure you wait for a sunny day with no signs of rain, and I aim for 11 a.m. or noon so the solution has time to work. Even though this particular day had periods of sun, there were just too many clouds, so I waited for a different day. Also, if you have tall weeds like the ones in my driveway, it's a good idea to trim them back so the mixture can hit the roots of the weeds. My sprayer is a bit on the older side and my nozzle is uncooperative, so the mixture is coming out in a stream rather than a mist, but that's okay. I just shake the wand back and forth to hit all of the weeds. I have a pretty big driveway and it used up the entire gallon of solution, but you can store any leftovers until next time. Here's what my weeds look like after only a couple hours. You can see they're already starting to dry and shrivel up. And here's what they look like the very next day. They'll continue to turn brown and flaky. Now, it's important to remember this won't keep new weeds from growing, so you'll have to repeat this as needed. I would say once a month during the summer should be sufficient depending on where you live. I'm in Ohio where we get a lot of rain, so weeds grow really fast, but for the cost of this method, which I would estimate to be around $3 or $4 per batch, it's economical. Plus, you don't have to worry about toxic chemicals harming you or your pets. Hope this information was helpful, and if you'd like more how-to tips, check out this video linked right here.